Today, we're taking a look at the Keter Outdoor Storage Deck Box, 150-gallon resin patio bin and bench in dark gray. And right now, it's on sale for 31% off. If you're looking for a spacious, durable, and stylish storage solution for your outdoor space, this deck box might be exactly what you need. With 150 gallons of storage capacity, it's perfect for keeping cushions, pool accessories, gardening tools, and other outdoor essentials protected from the elements. One of the standout features of this Keter deck box is the resin construction. Unlike wood, it won't warp, crack, or fade over time, making it an excellent choice for long-term outdoor use. Plus, it's weather-resistant, so whether it's rain or shine, your belongings stay dry and secure. Another major plus is its dual functionality. Not only does it offer plenty of storage, but it also doubles as a bench. The solid, sturdy design supports up to 660 pounds, making it a great option for additional seating when you have guests over. Assembly is straightforward, with no special tools required. Most people can put it together in under 30 minutes. Once assembled, the hydraulic pistons make opening and closing the lid effortless, so you won't have to struggle when accessing your items. With its sleek dark gray color, it blends seamlessly with most outdoor decor styles. Whether you have a modern patio setup or a more rustic backyard, this deck box won't look out of place. Overall, the Keter 150-gallon deck box is a fantastic investment if you need extra storage, durability, and seating all in one. Right now, it's available at 31% off, so don't miss out. Check out the link in the description below to grab yours today.